Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for an Affirm credit card. So if you want to apply for an Affirm credit card, this video is for you. It's going to be a quick one. Let's get straight into it. So first thing you got to do is to go to the Affirm website, and you're going to sign into your accounts. Now once you sign into your account, you're going to click on apply now. And then you're going to provide your personal and financial information, including of course your employment status as well as your credit score. Once that's done, just review and accept the credit card terms, including the interest rates, fees, and the repayment terms. Once you go through all that, just sign the credit card agreement electronically and just wait for Affirm to review your application. Once that's done and they've made a decision, you can review and accept the credit card offer once it's approved. Then you can immediately activate your credit card and set up your account once you receive it. And be sure to review and understand your credit card terms and conditions, because that's going to save you a lot of headaches in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for an Affirm credit card. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.